living and non-living thing. We should take care of our environment. Thank you. We should plant more and more trees. Thank you. Today my topic is Environment Day. Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Environment is the surrounding where we live, survive and flourish. Okay, bye bye. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं आपके सामने कुछ माहौल के बारे में कुछ सुनाऊंगी। मेरे दोस्तों, हम सब इस जमीन के घर में रहते हैं। हमें अपना माहौल साफ रखना चाहिए। हम एक ही जमीन और एक ही माहौल और जिंदगी एक ही है, लिहाजा इसे जाया ना करें। I want to tell you guys something about environment. Environment is the home to all living things. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5 June. The theme of World Environment Day this year is Ecosystem Restoration and will be hosted by Pakistan. Dear friends, save environment, save life. See you soon. Bye. The environment is everything around us. It includes air, water, soil, plants and animals. Make up environment. Plants and animals need a healthy environment to survive. आज मैं आप सबको एनवायरनमेंट डे के बारे में कुछ बातें बताना चाहती हूँ। हमें अपने एनवायरनमेंट को गंदगी से बचाना चाहिए और हमें पेड़ पौधे काटने नहीं चाहिए और हमें ज्यादा से पेड़ पौधे उगाने चाहिए और हमें पानी बचाना चाहिए और हमें घर का कूड़ा कचरा पानी में नहीं डालना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर उस पानी में मच्छर हो तो मछलियाँ भी बीमार पड़ सकती हैं। इसलिए हमें घर का कूड़ा कचरा डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए। थैंक यू। We should keep our surroundings safe. I speak for trees. For the trees have no tongue. Nature is a miracle. We depend upon natural beauty to save environment. Thank you. Celebrated every year on 25th. The happiness is everything in the world around us, including all living things, mountains and rivers and climate and the air. Thank you. Have a nice day. World Environment Day celebrated 5th June every year. ये मैंने खुद बनाया था। Happy Environment Day. Environment Day celebrated 5th of June. We should plant more and more trees. Thank you. Have a nice day. I am going to plant a tree to save environment. My topic is World Environment Day, which is celebrated on 5th June every year. This day teaches us to make our surroundings neat and clean, which ultimately help us to live a healthy and peaceful life. It is our moral duty to teach everyone to keep surroundings neat and clean. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to tell you something about environment. Environment means our surrounding. So dear friends, it's our duty to healthy life. Thank you so much. Environment is the home to all living things. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5 June. The theme of World Environment Day this year is Ecosystem Restoration and will be hosted by Pakistan. Dear friends, save environment, save life. See you soon. Bye.
Friends, today's Environment Day. Our Earth has many issues like global warming, ozone depletion. Let's to see environment. See this beautiful plant. They support our life. Save them. Save them environment. Save their life. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
आपको एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में कुछ बातें बताना चाहती हूँ. हमें एनवायरनमेंट को गंदगी से बचाना चाहिए और फिर ना पेड़ पौधे काटने चाहिए और हमें पेड़ पौधे ज्यादा से ज्यादा उगाने चाहिए और ना ही हमें अपना घर के कूड़े कचरे हमें पानी में नहीं डालने चाहिए, जिससे उस पानी में अगर मछलियाँ हो तो उससे मछलियाँ भी बीमार पड़ सकती हैं. इसलिए हमें घर का कूड़ा कचरा डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए. Environmentally, we should plant more and more trees. Don't cut trees. Don't use plastic. Don't use polythene bag. Use paper bag. And post till one post. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Planet Earth is the only planet in the universe where life is possible among the 8 planets. Without water, life can never be imagined. Almost 71% of the Earth's surface is water. But only a little amount of pure drinking water is present on Earth's surface. Here are 4 ways how we can save water. Number 1. Turn off the water while brushing your teeth. Number 2. Don't play too much with water. Number 3. Use a bucket to clean the floors. Number 5. Take short showers. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Environmental Day. My simple message is to remember serious. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Thank you.